Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove text from your video using CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Open up your CapCut application and create new project. And for me, I'm going to open up the project I have just created and I'm going to remove this text from my video. If we want to remove something from our video, we can use the mask trick. So we can cover the text using the mask feature on CapCut. I'm going to duplicate this video first, guys, and you can select the video and then go to the duplicate option and make it as an overlay. You can select overlay and make sure that the first video is aligned with the second video, and we're going to apply the mask to the overlay. I'm going to select the mask option, but where is it? Okay, right here, and choose the type of the mask or the shape of the mask. For me, I'm gonna go with the circle mask, and we can adjust the size and take another part of your video to cover the unwanted text or the unwanted object. I'm gonna take this part because this part will be suitable to cover it, and we can click on the check mark and drag the mask until it's fully covered with the mask. Okay, and to make it more natural, I'm going to adjust the feather, go back to the mask and adjust the feather like this. Okay, done. And I'm going to apply the I'm going to apply filter or maybe adjustment. Wait, let me go to the adjustment. Okay, adjust, and I'm gonna adjust the brightness just a little bit, guys. Okay, wait, sorry. We can adjust the brightness on the layer only. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, just adjust it a little bit. Okay, perfect. And this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how we can remove text from video using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.